Autumn is here. Goodbye summer, and goodbye gardening season. The sun is low and it's cold. The leaves turn yellow or red and then fall, and the natural world begins to sleep. But that's no excuse from extending the gardening season indoors. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Join me here at the kitchen for an inspiring update. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Channel 1, your place for inspiration and growing, cooking and sharing. Yes, if you're inspired, you cannot afford not to share. That's what I'm doing today. I'm sharing my indoor vegetables, my indoor garden. Yes, the gardening season is over. That's why I extended it indoors. I planted indoors Pak Choy or Pechay, which is ideal for the limited sunshine. I planted this, I think, 3 to 4 weeks ago. I think 3 weeks. These are the remaining seedlings. I also have another set there, which I planted just last week. And I even have a 24-hour camera monitoring their growth. Come back for that film, the growth of the Pak Choy or Pechay. Let's follow their journey from seedlings to plate. Okay, come back for that. If you're interested, you can do the same. It's equipped with grow lights here. And these lights are not ordinary lights. They are tuned. Their wavelength is tuned for promoting leaf growth. So they are ideal for spinach and Pak Choy like this. I can hardly wait for the first harvest. I'm gonna show you the other setup, the one being monitored 24 hours. So after harvesting this, I have another there. So during the entire winter, I have continuous supply of Pak Choy or Pechay. Needless to say, for the winter season, there will be no gardening uploads from the garden, but I have gardening uploads from indoors. I hope I have inspired you to do the same. If you notice, they're just at the back of the sofa here. You may say, that's not good for my interior, but it's fun growing them. So, back to where it should be. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope I inspired you to do the same, to be self-sufficient as much as possible. And I hope I also left some entertainment value. Until next time, this has been your Kuya and Uncle here in Holland. Romeo, Dios te guarde.